Hey super foodies! I'm just gonna make some shak. Let's go! Welcome back to Cooking with Anjali. Today we're making a vegetable side dish that's eaten with chapatis or rice, known in Gujarati as a shak and known in Punjabi or Hindi as a sabji. We're making Aloo Sabji, also known as Batata Shak in Gujarati. This is a household favorite of ours. Me and my brother loved it growing up, and now even my fiance loves it. So I'm sure you guys are definitely going to enjoy it. Let's just get started. So we're going to start by peeling the potatoes. I peeled the potatoes and I put them in here to soak, and now I'm going to go and wash them out. So we have our potatoes here. So we're going to chop the potatoes now into cubes, approximately 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter cubes. The smaller the potatoes, the quicker they'll cook. And I'm just going to speed through this. I'll see you in a sec. So we're going to start adding the spices. I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of cumin or dhana-jeeru. And what I'm going to do is dry roast them on a medium heat until they're kind of like a red color. I want to keep moving it around so that it doesn't burn. So I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of rapeseed oil. I'm also going to add from my little spice box 1/2 teaspoon of rye, which are these black mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of hing, which is asafoetida powder. So you just want to mix it all together. So when the mustard seeds start to pop, it's ready to put the potatoes in. So now I'm going to add the potatoes to the pan. And we're just going to stir in the spices.
The relaxed, non-wasting chef.
I am actually going to add a little bit more oil, about 1/2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon more. I don't generally use a lot of oil. I try to add as I go, only if I need it. So that way you end up using only what you need. It's gonna fry on a medium heat. But first I'm gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to this so that it starts to cook in. So we just want to stir it whilst it's cooking to make sure it's not burning. And what we want is we want it to cook for a couple of minutes now. So I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes to check it. So the potatoes cooked for about 15 minutes. And I kept stirring them in between to make sure that they didn't burn. So my mum likes to keep little things prepared in the kitchen. I've got some ground green chilies here, and I've got some ground ginger here. So we're gonna add some more spices to the potatoes. So I'm gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of green chili. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 level teaspoons dhana-jeeru, which is ground coriander and ground cumin powder mixed together. Actually, let's add 1 more for good luck. Put 3 in. I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Tend to use less of that. We prefer to use green chilies because red chili powder can sometimes give you a bit of heartburn. And we're going to give that a stir. So what we're going to do now, the potatoes are pretty much cooked throughout from the inside. All I did is I took 1 potato like this one. I pushed it through to check that it was cooked. It came apart nice and easily. But you could also put a paring knife through the middle just to check that it comes clean and it's cooked. Hey guys, editing Ange here, hence the, never mind. I made a boo-boo over here. So when I spoke about poking through the potatoes with the knife and it coming out clean, I was getting confused with baking. So when you poke through baked goods, such as brownies, and the knife comes out clean, it means it's ready and baked. When you poke through a potato, what you're looking for is actually the resistance to the knife. If there's little resistance, the potatoes are cooked. I now want brownies, so I will leave you to it. Bye guys. Give it a quick taste. So I'm gonna add another half a teaspoon of salt. Just under half a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna stir that in. I'm just gonna let that fry on a low heat until it's nice and crispy, and we're ready to serve. I've got some chili pickle on the side and I've also got some mango pickle. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes like home. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe, like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos, and comment down below your favorite recipes that you'd like me to try going forward. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Yeah?
Back up.